y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is for the natural girls and the natural girls only. Like, for real, we're doing something a little different today. So I have this wig. This is a half wig from the company that I'm gonna show y'all. That's the company right there, all the information. And of course this wig will be in my Amazon storefront, of course, so y'all can go get it if y'all want it. This was my first time trying to half wig. I've been seeing them all over TikTok and stuff, and I was happy when somebody wanted to collab with me for a half wig. So I was like, yeah, go ahead, send it. So this is a 24-inch kinky curly wig. Yeah, it's a half wig, y'all, so it's not gonna have a lace on or nothing. And it comes with all the clamps you need so it's secure to your head. And when you get this wig, you can get a chance to win a free wig or $40 off your next wig that you get. First thing first, I just parted like half. I literally parted half of my head of my hair to put on this wig because I wanted mine to look as natural as possible, you know. I had just took my other wig off and I just had like to wash the front of my hair, and I put the rest of my hair in a ponytail because I'm not finna sit here and braid it. I had just got work, so I wasn't finna braid my hair. Ponytail, it go. So this is all the clamps, and it has a band in the back that if you need it. So y'all see all the hair I left out. Some people don't leave out that much hair, I know, but this is me. This is how I do mine, okay? All right. So like I said, I left out half of my head, basically half a head of hair, basically. So I'm just plaiting it down, getting it out of the way so I can secure my wig.
Human except you a goddess, only lying to you when I lie it down, just being honest. When you start as friends, it's hard to say you're never going back. If I'm not the one, then I'm the best mistake you ever had.
And now I'm just securing the wig, putting all the clamps in. Well, I'm putting all 3 of the clamps in, securing it, make sure it don't go nowhere, because we don't need this wig to go nowhere. It's already hanging off half of my head, so we need to make sure it's secure. We need to make sure all 3 clamps are in. We need to make sure the band is around my head. We need to make sure we pull the drawstring in the back, okay? Y'all got it? Y'all got it, okay. Okay, so now that the wig is secured, I'm going to try to make these curls in the back look as natural as possible. You know how our curls have like a natural frizz to them sometimes? Like, these curls in the back are like too defined to be looking natural, like they actually my curls, you know. So I'm going to just brush it out to give it like a more natural look. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to take this mousse that I got from Walmart. You can get it from Amazon. Yeah, this mousse is in my Amazon storefront too. I'm going to take this mousse and I'm going to do some twists. I'm going to act as this is my natural hair, y'all. Y'all know how the natural girls be doing twists and leaving them in for like a day. That's what I'm going to do.
Figure it out, it's something about her. It's something about her. Got a woman that wants you but don't need you. Can't figure it out, something about her. Does she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, make your nails just like the pedicure off? She's like effortlessly, but she moves like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing, that's why I love her. It's independent, won't you come and
next, I'm going to do the same thing to the front of my hair. So I'm going to add gel, the Camila Rose curl maker, and mousse this time, and of course water. Y'all, this week was the week I found out that my curls can actually curl with these 3 products. Like, no lie, y'all, I didn't know my hair could really curl up.
That's the girl. This independent, move the way you shine. This is she got everything. That's why I love her.
Okay, so this was like 4 to 5 hours later. I know I should have left them in longer than that, but I had to get up for work later on that night, so I needed to record to see how my hair was going to look for later on, because I can't be going to work looking crazy. Obviously, I should have left them in longer, and they were still wet, to be honest. So I kind of wasted time doing this. I should have did later on when I had got up for it. Y'all just keep watching.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. Pick up on none of you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the center with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a roof on. Like you haul, and I know we need to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide, for me as a man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead.
Okay, y'all, so now all the twists are down. I think my curls in the front look okay, but I think they could have been better if I would let them dry a little more. I didn't cut my hair. I just cut like a few pieces for it to match up with my natural hair in the front, like some face framing, some layers, you know, so it can look a little more natural. So when I tell y'all these hair wigs are so versatile, y'all really need to get y'all one. If y'all don't mind just wearing your natural hair in the front, I highly recommend. Like, it's so many styles you can do with a hair wig. So many styles. You can do braids in the front, you can do twists in the front, you can wear your natural curls like I'm doing. So I highly recommend. I think that's about it. This wig will be in my Amazon storefront like always, and all the other wigs that I recommend for y'all. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Love you, babe.